What's going on, guys? It's another beautiful day here in Connecticut. You see the leaves are out, but I got short sleeves on right here. It is like 74 degrees on November 6th, but that's a very key day in today's video. It is National Nacho Day. That's right. It is still Nachovember, and we're headed off to another Yelp Elite event set up by my man Alex, and we're headed to Wooden Tap, their new location opening in Hartford, Connecticut. So we're gonna check that place out and bring you some footage. All right, y'all, we've arrived here at the new Wooden Tap downtown. Take a look at it right there. It's on the corner of Sisson and something else. Sisson and Capitol Ave. I don't know if you can see that. We'll zoom in on it or whatever. Yep, it looks like a house on top of the restaurant. Looks pretty crazy right here, but yep, let's shoot on across the street and go up in here. Here we are, all the Yelpers are gathered together. We got Alex, the main man.
For the friends that are signed up, follow me. Happy Nachovember.
Vlog section. Yes! Screen within the screen! All right, walking to the main room right now.
Here, I want to introduce you to Corey.
Most important person we know.
The most important person, exactly. Yes. We also have our DJ. DJ, introduce yourself.
DJ FedEx.
Hey, louder.
DJ FedEx. Nice to meet you.
FedEx. Always on time.
One, has he got a delivery for you? So, we got a lot of fun things going on today. Corey is going to make up a choice between, for you guys, either strawberry guava or a plain margarita, or a Corona, or water or lemonade. So those are our beverage choices for today. Water sounds good. Okay, that's the hell no H2O. So today as well, we have our photo booth here. So you'll be able to scan your phone to get the picture sent over to you via text, which is perfect. It doesn't print out. It will come to your phone and you can download it. You could upload it to the review page, or the highlight page, if you will, which is awesome. Also, we have our nacho races that are going to be going on at this circle table. Sporadically, we're going to go probably teams of like 3 to 4. So find your friend or find whoever you think you could build a nacho the quickest with. But also there has to be beauty to the nacho.
Hey y'all, remember the Patron Bike that you saw at the, what's that place called? Was it Timothy's Burritos? Something like TJ's Burritos out in like Enfield. They have it here at the Yelp event. That's pretty crazy. Check out somebody, you put the blender on there, you pedal do your little pedaling thing, and it stirs the drink up, and boom, you get this magical creation right there. All right, we got the Añejo margarita here, made on the blender bike. You just saw. Let's give it a good check out here. Oh, we got food on the, on the way. Oh, we'll get to that in a second though. Deep, rich, bold flavor. The good crispiness from the lime flavor in the margarita. It's cold, it's refreshing. It's 75 degrees outside. This is gonna be awesome. Look at all these Yelpers doing Yelp things. Gotta get the pictures and the photographs of all the food that just came out. So let me tell y'all a story. You see how we all kind of gather here at the Yelp events? This is exactly how I met my fiance. It was an event just like this. We happened to be at the same event. At the end of it, she came up to me. She shot her shot. Obviously, she did pretty well. And that's kind of it. So, like, I encourage you, get out here, get to these Yelp events, meet people, enjoy good free food. Nah, well, it's not really free. It is kind of free. You got to donate your time, your energy to do the reviews, to do the pictures, to socialize with other people. Get out here, do this stuff. You can come out here and have a good time with the rest of us. Look at the man with the plan. We're here all because of this guy right here. Drink time, guys. I'm gonna go with the spicy strawberry pineapple margarita. Refreshing, spicy with pineapple juice, jalapenos. Over here, she's serving up it. She got a tiny hat on. Make sure you come see her at Wooden Tap here. Now you are at other locations as well, or just a Hartford location?
I'm at all locations.
You're at all locations.
I do private events, so I'm a private event bartender.
Oh, so you're not even like a Wooden Tap employee?
No, I am.
Oh.
Long reigning.
Okay, so if it's a special division of Wooden Tap employee where they send her out to private events. So if you want to have a private event, she might show up. All right, guys, I got my spicy pineapple strawberry margarita. I'm excited to give it a shot here. Oh, away from the music, away from the music. I got to get somewhere where it's quieter in here. Much quieter in here. Let's give it a sip. Okay. There is some heat. That good jalapeno taste in there. Deliciously sweet. Pineapple comes at the back. I like it a lot. And I don't taste much of air strawberry. Okay, the flavor's gonna do a dance on your tongue a little bit. Not bad. This is a good one. I could drink this over and over. Yo, the Yelpers came through and grabbed like everything. There was like a little bit of nothing left, but I got like this little, it looks like a Mexican macaroni and cheese sort of thing, right? You might be able to see it, you're out of focus. It doesn't matter. I'll put the cutaway up here. But got my fork. Let's dig in. It looks cheesy. It looks like a pasta, like a really interesting thin pasta. Check that out. Let me get in the focus area right here. Oh, we got some good cheese right there. Let's give it a shot. It tastes just like mac and cheese. It's like it doesn't taste very different from mac and cheese, but like it's like a Mexican mac and cheese. I don't know what to call it. All right, y'all, I'm chilling over here in the corner by the Patron display. You see the bike. But we got like a little burger slider here. Check this guy out. Isn't he adorable, little burger slider? So we got like some cheese, little burger on there, cheese, like a pickle on there, some sauce. Let's go for it. Look at that. Got some pink in there. The outside is delicious. It's like a crispy burger. I don't know how to explain it. It's charred on the outside. Good. This is high quality beef. And the sauce is fantastic. The pickle is good. And it's just delicious. So Erica_RN wants to get in the shot. We did the burger. You have a burger yet?
Yep. Burger was good. It was good.
That's it?
Chicken was spicy. But
I ain't got that yet.
So good.
Which chicken was it?
The chicken like slider.
Oh, okay. I had it yet.
It was spicy, but it was good.
All right.
I like spice.
All right, y'all. Next up, it looks like we have some sort of pulled chicken, marinated chicken taco here. Check it out. Looks decent. Let's give it a good shot. Hi, babe.
Like.
No, I taste a lot of familiar flavors in there. There's good spice, a lot of flavor. Some coleslaw in here, adobo, chilies. I don't want to do them like this, but there's a Taco Bell taco that I like. And it tastes very similar to this. Now this is definitely elevated, but the flavors are very similar. But this is definitely spicier. I like this. I like it better than the mac and cheese, but now better than that burger. All right, guys, next up, we got the shrimp taco. This is gonna be grilled shrimp, some cilantro, some cabbage on there. Check that joint out right there. Looks delicious. Let's give it a good bite. That cilantro is very powerful. It's very fresh. He's interrupting me. My man Jason, go follow him. Pass to the dog. I'm getting Nacho Bomb right now by Shelly. Make sure you go follow her too. But yes,
Nacho Bomb!
what's happening? I don't know what's going on. But shrimp taco, fantastic. Really, really, really good shrimp taco right there. One more bite, one more bite. Wow. I think the shrimp taco was better than chicken taco. You've seen this before at TJ's Burritos. You know I'm talking. Oh, hey, she was waving and stuff. My bad, my bad. We on the bike. Let's get it. Oh, man, I start going. Oh, man, there we go. Hey, we out here making our own drinks and stuff. Hey, we hitting the bell. Check us out. So the goal is to build your nacho as fast as possible, but it needs to look good and be of a sizable portion because they're gonna build it, they're gonna throw it in the oven, bake it, and then we're gonna judge them later. So it's like a weird, it's like a balance of speed and finesse. Nacho making in progress. Team 2 over here is going with the layer of chips from the bottom. Good teamwork, guys. Good teamwork, guys. Okay, we're doing like a tomato, cheese, bean layer sort of situation there. This team over here, though, happened to go all chips first, saving the cheese, everything else for last. Okay. Look at the speed over here. I don't know. This is looking pretty awful, guys. You gotta clean this stuff up, man. Oh, man. Let's check it out on this side again. It's coming together. We got an elbow on the way. Coming together nicely. Put your hands in the way. This is gonna be a tough one. I don't know. Oh, look at this. Look at this creation right here. This is like an actual mountain. That's a hills have eyes over there. I don't know what's going on over there. Oh man.
They have that after they cook.
Hands in the air when you're done. All right. We got 2 hungry gens. They're going to be doing the voting for us and analyzing the nachos. I've never seen anything like this before. But we're gonna have a decision here any second. How the cheese is looking, the lettuce, the tomatoes. Oh, Alex is also, of course, he's involved as well.
All right, this side wins.
All right, y'all, next up, we got the bar chick. It's like a grilled chicken sandwich. They kind of cut it or whatever, but let's go right in. I want to use the same seasoning you use on the tacos. Go for it. Solid, not too complicated chicken sandwich. Chicken, onion, cheese, some zesty sauce on there. Pretty solid. All right, guys, I have very little room left, but it's just time for dessert. I still haven't had the nachos yet either. Maybe I would have, but I don't know, don't matter. We got the brownie on deck right here. It's got like some peanuts decorated on top of it. Good, it's gonna be good crunch on top. Feels cakey and fudgy, give it a shot. They're inside too. Very rich, not overly sweet. The nuts add a good crunch. When you're looking to get past all that chewiness and fudginess, this is solid. Now, I don't know if they would come out warm if you order them to your table. I mean, they're cold for us because buffet style, whatever. Really pretty solid.